Hello, I'm Michelle with True Manufacturing Company, and I'm at Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center in Torrance, and today we're talking about true residential luxury refrigeration. True Manufacturing has been in business since 1945. We're a family-owned business, and even if you've never heard of True before, you have experienced it, I guarantee you, because we are in every Papa John's, every Subway, every Chick-fil-A, every Starbucks, everywhere around the world with our commercial line. Our residential line is built on the legacy of that commercial line. So all that same engineering goes into our residential line. You have that same storage capacity, but what you have is the look and feel and touch of a luxury product designed especially for the home. If you'd like to experience true residential luxury refrigeration firsthand, please join us at any of Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center's beautiful showrooms in Torrance, Calabasas, Studio City, and in South Coast Plaza, Costa Mesa. Thank you so much.